today's video, we'll be off on a road trip down to the south of the island of Bali to Uluwatu. The weather's looking a bit ominous. It's been raining. It's 3 p.m. but we decided we wanted to go later in the afternoon because it's just been so incredibly hot here in Bali in the middle of the day. So this will make for a cooler drive. Anyway, let's go. First stop in Uluwatu is the GWK Cultural Park. It's the second biggest statue in the world. Currently running to get on the shuttle.
This is free drink at the Bali Resto.
Okay.
And you get free merchandise from us.
Oh wow.
This is special discount if you want to buy something at Kecak shop.
And the marketing place. Look at all my tickets.
So total for getting in to see the statue is currently at 160,000 rupiah per person. That's 5,000 for the motorbike parking, 125,000 to actually see the statue, and then if you want to take a shuttle instead of walking, it's 30,000 per person extra. It is a 1.25 kilometer walk. You can do that if you want. We're just a bit stretched for time, so we decided to quickly hop on the shuttle and yeah, let's see where we end up. So far everything looks so big and grand.
And it's very well organized here. You can actually spend the whole day here, to be honest.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch of things going on at different times in the day. Thank you.
These things are insane.
It's limestone rocks, I think. Oh, it looks like this whole place has been carved out of this mountain. And I guess they used the stone to build the statue. Not too sure.
I feel like I'm gonna fall. Yeah, I'm okay.
So behind us is the second tallest statue in the world, Garuda Vishnu statue.
This statue symbolizes the Hindu religion in Bali. It depicts Lord Vishnu riding on a mythical bird called a Garuda. Lord Vishnu is known as the preserver in the Hindu religion, and the bird that he is riding on, his vehicle, is the mightiest bird, the Garuda, and it is the protector. So together the preserver and the protector watch over the land of Bali.
Awesome. So it's built up here on a big hill. You can see it from all the way across Bali. You can see it from Canggu, and we're all the way here in Uluwatu, which is about 30 kilometers away. So yes, it is huge. It is watching over the island and it is awesome.
When you fly into Bali, you'll see it from the plane as you're about to land. It is so big, and that's why we decided to come here to see it for ourselves up close and personal, and it really is impressive. But more impressive is this entire cultural park. They have lots to do, so after this statue we're going to walk down or shuttle down and see what else there is to offer.
So there are 2 more statues at the festival area. There's a separate one of Garuda and her 3 eggs, and then there's a separate statue of Lord Vishnu himself.
Made out of brass and copper, and it's 23 meters tall, so nowhere near as tall as the 2 of them back there.
We're just hanging around in this area. There's apparently going to be a dance later on,
Which is one of the top things you should come and see in Bali apparently, so we're going to watch it here.
should be exciting.
There are hundreds of people here about to watch this dance. It's insane.
The setting is amazing. You're amongst these carved out limestone rocks. It is just really, really cool. It's epic actually. It just feels so grand. I think we're about to get underway.
And then now we will present special Balinese dance and drama with the title Garuda Vishnu Kecak dance.
The Kecak dance is a Balinese Hindu dance that was formed in the 1930s. It's done in all the villages and at most temples in Bali. That was amazing. It's really worth the trip out here to GWK Cultural Park. So come and check it out if you are here in Uluwatu or if you're ever here in Bali. Anyway, we hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye!